Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you're all well and having a great day. Today's video is a DIY. I'm going to be DIYing the birdcage that I picked up in my last Poundland haul. I'm going to insert a picture of the birdcage just up here because I've actually spray painted it already and I didn't actually take a picture of it beforehand. We had some good weather last week and I thought let me just get it outside and spray paint it using no other than the spray paint from Poundland. It's their Ultra Extreme spray paint and I'm using the black gloss one, so that's that. So I'm going to show you some of the items that I'm going to be using to do this project with. So I've got a whole bunch of bouquet flowers from Poundland. You can find this in Poundland in the wedding section. And I've also got some self-adhesive lace there as well that I'm going to be using. Then I just printed out this sign that says card. So have you guessed that I'm going to be changing the birdcage into? So what I'm going to be doing, I've got the inspiration for this project from a friend's wedding which took place around 2 years ago now. And what I'm doing, I'm just putting my own kind of stamp onto the birdcage. They had their birdcage in the cream colour. So I've actually been onto Pinterest also and took some inspiration from there, looking for a black birdcage that I can actually jazz up for a wedding or a special occasion as a card box. Okay, so get ready guys. I'm going to show you the birdcage now, how I've spray painted it. Now look at it guys, look how beautiful it looks. Oh my goodness. I spray painted it black. I wasn't sure whether to do it in grey or black. You know, I knew I didn't want to keep it in the cream vintage colour. I knew I wanted to put my own little stamp on it. So I spray painted it black and it's turned out lovely. I mean, look at this guys. It's turned out so lovely. That's just using this auto spray paint from Poundland. So what I've just shown you, these are the only items that I'm really going to be using for this project, okay? So I'm just going to close up the birdcage like so. So I'm going to add a strip of this lace, which is actually self-adhesive, which makes my life a lot easier with this project, to be fair with you. I'm going to pull it in the middle of the cage and I'm going to pull it on the same line where the opening is. So you can see the opening just there. I'm going to put it in the same line. I'm just going to wrap it round. Now I know it's not going to go all the way around, but that's absolutely fine because I'm actually going to put the flowers around it where there's going to be a gap. Because it is self-adhesive, it just sticks to the metal very easily. I can just wrap it round, pulling it tight around the actual cage. Then I'm just going to tuck it in like so. Okay, I've just put a glue dot to attach to stop that bit from rattling. But if it does rattle, please just please bear with me with it. So okay, so I've put that on. So I've put that bit on now. There's a little bit sticking out. I'm just going to snip that bit off there like so. Okay, so I've actually separated the flowers beforehand, and what I've done, I've taken off the greenery from the actual flowers. I'll probably use that bit a bit later if I decide to. What I'm going to do is weed the flowers through the cage and then build up on it so it becomes like a garland going all the way around. I'm going to try and do it so you can see what I'm doing. I'll just bring you down. As you can see, it's starting to take shape already and it's looking absolutely beautiful. So I'm going to continue with that and just put all the flowers around. Okay, so I'm just showing you the progress of how it's looking. Really gorgeous. Okay, so sorry for the silence, but I'm really focusing on this. It's quite intricate, you know. I have to make sure that every flower sits in the correct place, which I've more or less done now. So let me just show you how this is looking. It looks so gorgeous. I love it. Wow. So this is how it's looking at the moment, and I absolutely love it. So I'm just going to take the card here now and stick it, attach it to the lace on the front here. You can see how it's actually looking. So what I do now, I'm going to decorate the top of the birdcage using some of the slim ribbon that I've got, or the slim lace that I've got rather. And this fits on quite well because it is self-adhesive. So like so, then if you can see that, really lovely. And then I'm going to take another bit of the lace and then just tie a bow on the top. Okay, so I've just tied a little vintage bowl on the top as well. That looks so gorgeous as well. Okay, and this is the end result. This is how it's looking. Absolutely beautiful. I love it. What do you guys think? Gorgeous. Okay, so that's my DIY birdcage. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed already. And don't forget to click on the notification bell to be notified of when I post my next videos. So take care guys. See you on the next video. Bye. Bye.